What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is episode 7 of the Tailgate Alaska experience, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby.
All right, getting ready to ghost her down, just giving you all a heads up. And that's how we do it. Hopefully it goes where it needs to go, not off the cliff. Woo! It's a little bit crusty. It's all right though. Yeah, totally. Absolutely unreal up here. We're basically right at the head wall of the glacier, about to traverse through here and make our final climb up. And we'll be skiing and snowboarding the slopes up there. And sometimes you can take the ridge across and drop in on this stuff, but there's a huge cornice up there. Maybe you're right there on the really steep one. You can peek through. It might take us a couple of runs at it. I've just got a 155. So.
Okay, you want me to punch it?
Yeah, you get a longer, what do you?
165.
Hey, you're a little longer. Yeah, dude, just pretty much straight up and you're up. Or right up the center. Yeah, it totally benches out up there. Okay. He's got the 165, so we're gonna let him punch. It probably would have taken me 2 runs at it, but it's got that turbo just screaming up it. So we're trying to stay in the same track because number 1, it's safer to do that in the glacier. Number 2, we're gonna try to double up this. So we're trying to get a track set. They're gonna send these flanks. That's what's going on. The Pontoon Peak in the background, pretty sweet. Get myself a little ride in. Might as well, eh? When in Rome, or Alaska in this case. Hey boys, I'm about to send a ghosty down the main hill over here, just FYI. Seems insane, right? Maybe it is. I don't know. Works pretty well though. Let's go snowboarding. Doubling up, you can get up crazier stuff, but ghosting is just like so efficient. If you just find, you can't do really crazy stuff usually when you ghost. Ooh. Woo! That was lovely. Ugh. That's why the ghosting's fun. If I had my skis, I would have loved to join them in that one, but that was my 5th snowboard run in 2 years. So not that confident of a snowboarder yet to hit the super crazy steep stuff, but if I had my skis, I would have been super down for that one.
Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change.
We're out here on the biggest climb. Logan's got a his sledge just not firing right. Something's up, so he's having to blip the throttle. Just doesn't have power to climb this hill. Right, doesn't look that steep, but it's pretty steep. But he made it up the worst part and this other steep one. The top's like right there. He's home free if you can get out. We'll see what happens. All right, little update. He made it out. Thank God. Little update, pulled out a rope and we're gonna try to tow him up. It's almost back, almost got it. Prepared to get sprayed in the face like a... Hey, start it and back up some. Get a little run at it. Shenanigans today. Oh. Go, 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 go. You guys are so close.
I know, dude.
It's right. You're almost to the bench up here. Yeah, I had a feeling your skis are going to be super light. Let's see.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go from here. You think?
We can, you might be able to blip them up if we get 2 people ski pulling you just to get you to this bench.
Yeah, it's a ski tug, and I think it'll go. Even if I go straight over that rock. All right.
Yeah. Either that, or we can like just pull one sled up at a time too.
That's kind of what I was.
Yeah. We get yours on this bench and then get his. Yeah. You get your brake on over there. You good? And pull out a little bit too if you get it. Yeah, we can probably give you a little ski pole and get you up this thing so you're not like digging a massive trench. Maybe we can get yours up to that rock. If we get this bench, there's one more bench and we're there. We're so close. You want to try blipping yours? Let's see if we can get you to this little rock bench right there. It's better than going all the way back down.
Yeah.
And you just got one more bench after this and you're up. If you came in the morning, this would be hard pack.
Yeah.
It's just too soft right now. Cool.
All right, I'll come grab you down there.
I can't believe the 175 wasn't doing it. I was like,
There was like resistance, like tug.
yeah, well, just can't get his sled up. As you guys saw, real life drama every day. Still kind of fun though in a weird way, even though it sucks about his sled, but it sucks, man, almost. It's just too soft. If you guys come out here in the morning, I think it'd get up. It's like hard pack, you know. I can throw it on mine too, dude, if you want to bring your backpack with you. Yeah, throw it on this one. At least you're able to get it here though. It's not like way the back here. Just like that, we're back. Oh, that was a long day. Anyhow, that's a wrap, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see this kind of stuff. And we'll do it again. Peace, y'all.
Yep, does it better. Yep.